Well, ma'am, to please address the gathering. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Mr. Rajiv, our Vice Principal Academics, for inviting me to join and address the students. So good morning, my beloved students and my dear teachers. It's always a pleasure to interact with all of you. Thank you so much for joining this wonderful online session. Uh, Now, the million-dollar question is, what is the purpose of this meeting? Children, we are having the summer vacation is round the corner. In the month of June, we would not be meeting each other. Normally, before the vacation, we do have a face-to-face meeting with everybody. But somehow, keeping so many things in mind, our Rise Up for Peace Festival, we were a little involved and did not have that face-to-face meeting. And so we thought, why not online meeting with each one of you? And the purpose always is to give you a pat on your back, to cheer you up because it's your life, a precious life and miles to go in your life ahead. And plenty of challenges are there. And in this, if we can facilitate and make your journey a comfortable journey, it'll be very, very good. A journey where there's lots of joy and happiness in your school time. So this session. Children, talking about the current situation, it's very, very hot. The temperature is soaring to 43, 44 at times, and even 45 in some places in Punjab, in and around our workplace, our school. So the temperature is very, very high. See, the weather conditions, they do affect the functioning of an institution, the functioning of an educational institution. Very hot, the government says close it down. Very, very cold, the government says close it down. And if it is very raining heavily, the government says close it down. But then we as responsible citizens, we're not having that face-to-face classes since we were not expected to have. And you need to be there in your houses, keeping this terrible weather in mind. But we are lucky, lots of compliments to all of you because you're studying in a Microsoft Showcase school. और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट शोकेस स्कूल में पढ़ने की वजह से हमारे पास एक फैसिलिटी है दैट इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स ऐप इज देयर विद ईच वन ऑफ यू एंड वी यूज इट फॉर आवर क्लासेस सो रेन और शाइन बारिश हो चाहे धूप हो गर्मी हो चाहे सर्दी हो so rain and shine hot and cold whatever the weather is we can still come together connect and the learning may continue. You have to understand, children, as students, आपका पहला task, the first and the foremost task आपका है पढ़ाई. If you can, update yourself when it comes to academic excellence. If you can update yourself as per the curriculum which is there by the CBSE for you, I'm sure you can fly high. आपने जिंदगी में बहुत ऊंचे जाना है. You have to conquer this world as such with your capabilities, with your capacities. So please make sure you do not miss any opportunity of learning. और उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए we are having these online classes. Understand the teachers have come out from the comfort of their houses and they're traveling every day to the school so that they can teach you and facilitate your learning. कोविड ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है उसमें ये भी सिखाया है कि how we can go for online learning and teaching process. So online जो learning है this is going to continue and remember children see these were 10 days और इस 10 दिन में बहुत सारा curriculum हमें complete करना है. Curriculum can never be done hurriedly. फटाफट पढ़ाई खत्म नहीं की जा सकती because CBSE says rote learning is out now. So since Navdeep Singh has
Ma'am, you're muted.
So what happened everybody when you mute everybody I'm also muted. So please understand that muting is required. So please understand that कि कम वॉट में हमने रोट लर्निंग तो हम कर नहीं सकते बिकॉज CBSE says no more rote learning. So what is important is हमने समझना है, समझ के हमने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में अपना एग्जाम करना है, समझ के हमने अपने यूनिट टेस्ट करने हैं, पीरियोडिकल्स करने हैं, समझ के हमने अपने सितंबर एग्जामिनेशंस करने हैं, सो दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर यू कैन परफॉर्म वेल. 11th क्लास में आखिर में every child should move to the class automatically. 12th may every class should move to the next, leave the class successfully, complete kare apni 12th class ko. So that is the target. We are always there by your side. हम दिल से आपको बता रहे हैं कि हम आपकी बहुत मेहनत करना चाहते हैं. बच्चों आपने पढ़ना है. It's your life. Make it beautiful. Make it illustrious. Make it, make your performance shine like never before, because we are here to support. We lend our ears. हम आपकी बात सुनते हैं और आपकी मदद करते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि आप सिर्फ सही रास्ते पे जाएं और आपकी पढ़ाई सिर्फ फोकस्ड, आपका फोकस सिर्फ पढ़ाई हो, और बाकी जो भी विघ्न बीच में आते हैं, distractions in life, relationships with your classmates, वो सब बाद में होने चाहिए. 12वीं तक आप अच्छे से मैच्योर हो जाते हैं. जब आप कॉलेज में जाएंगे यू डेवलप दीज रिलेशनशिप्स, बट अभी आप फोकस करिए कि 12वीं क्लास के नंबर आपको ना जाने कहाँ लेके जाते हैं. Some of you want to stay here in India, some of you want to go abroad, everywhere to get into the best college. आपके लिए मार्क्स बहुत important. They cannot be just got. You have to work hard for those marks. आपको अपना curriculum समझ में आना चाहिए, topic समझ में आने चाहिए, and then you should be performing. So coming and keeping this in mind, we started the online classes, and we've already gone through a week. So 6 period का time table होता है. आप ध्यान रखें कि attendance is 75% is mandatory. फिर ना बोलें हमको आके कि मैडम हमारी attendance का क्या होगा. चाहे आप 11th में हैं, चाहे आप 12th में हैं, CBSE कहती है 75% attendance. अगर आप 11th में हैं, आपको CBSE ऑफिस में जाना पड़ेगा, और वहां से आप अगर अप्रूवल लेके आएंगे तो 11th के फाइनल में बैठ सकते हैं. सेम थिंग गोज फॉर द 12th क्लास ऑल्सो. अगर आपकी अटेंडेंस 75% से कम होगी तो आप फाइनल में नहीं बैठ सकते, और आप अपना प्रेशियस टाइम खराब करेंगे, क्योंकि पर्सनली आपको CBSE ऑफिस में जाके जाना पड़ेगा. आप अपने मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट्स देने पड़ेंगे, फिर उसके बाद आपको अप्रूवल मिलेगा फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए. एंड we are going to be very firm on the 75% attendance. इसलिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की जो अटेंडेंस है वो भी कंट्रीब्यूट करेगी आपके 75% अटेंडेंस को. एंड वी फॉलो CBSE रूल्स टू द T. 100% फॉलो करते हैं. तो दिस इज अ स्मॉल लिटिल a concern which I'm sharing with all of you, that please make sure you attend your classes every day when it comes to online classes. We would appreciate if it is active learning. देखिए आज भी बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है. I call upon Rajiv sir, I call upon Amrita sir and Amrita madam and all the teachers कि ERP में आप mention कर दीजिए कि बच्चों ने स्पेशल असेंबली नहीं ज्वाइन करी है. And wherever जब भी absent है ERP में जरूर mention करिए कि at the end of the year they should not say मैं तो present था मेरी absent लग गई. ऐसा नहीं होता. Check your ERP. If you have been marked absent, please bring it to the notice of the teachers. They never do it. Imaginary attendance नहीं लगती, आपके presence पे presence लगती है. आप absent होते हैं तो absent लगती है. Then you should be actively involved. आप अपना camera switch on करें. All teachers to take it very, very seriously. They have to switch on the camera when they are teaching, come what may. And similarly, students should also be attending the classes, and wherever need be, they should be switching on the camera until they have a problem with the internet or something which they would like to say. So please look into it. And another important thing is use your own ID. Guest ID से आप classes नहीं attend कर सकते हैं. You have a problem of ID or anything, please sort it out. Coming to the academic expectations, since we had to close down the school suddenly when we got the directions, and only one paper of your periodical test could be conducted, and evaluation and assessment becomes an important part of learning. पता चलता है कि आपको कितना समझ में So we are having these periodical from 1st of July. Make it a point to attend it because it will be physical classes from 1st of July. Fingers crossed, God willing, आप सब स्कूल में आएंगे. And I understand online classes की वो बात नहीं होती है जो physical class है. Man being a social animal is an age-old saying. हम सब society में रख के human beings सब society में रह के अच्छा लगता है. हम friends में होते हैं तो हमें पढ़ाई अच्छी लगती है. So please make sure that you start attending your classes when it is in the month of July. So coming to some other points, so as I said, ये chat में ये वक्त लौट के आता है दोबारा नहीं पढ़ाए जाएंगे. So make sure that you attend to these classes with lots of sincerity and seriousness. Coming to the academic expectations, so as I said, exams so postpone हो गए हैं, लेकिन आपको जो project दे रहे हैं teachers या आपको जो assignments मिल रहे हैं या जो homework मिल रहा है, whatever type of home assignments are being given to you by your teachers, please make sure that you actually complete that and submit it on 1st of July. Summer vacation का best use करना है. हम लोग 11th और 12th में अपना time waste नहीं कर सकते. हमें summer vacations में भी half the day you should be studying, in the remaining half you can have it for your own self and see what you can do. But do not while away your time. Do not waste your time. Make the best use of time as such. आपके periodicals के 20 marks रहते हैं, 1 hour का paper होता है, तो वो भी attend करना है, उसके लिए भी आपने prepare करना होता है. फिर उसके बाद the classes begin at 7:50 when your attendance is being taken. They are over at 12:30. Please make sure that आप पहुंचे and make sure that you actually, take your bath and, active alert, brush your teeth, have your breakfast, and then please join the classes because it's very important. If you're alert and active, only then you would be able to, actually grasp what is being taught, understand what is being taught. So all goes well. Then for technical support, your class teachers are always there. तो आपने अपनी ID से attend करना है, guest ID से आप classes नहीं attend कर पाएंगे. So please, the class teachers, look into it and stop the guest ID business, and also make sure that if they have a problem, the students to share it with the class teachers, their care, their concern, and the class teacher and coordinator with the help of the IT team, make sure that they are given. Most of the cases are sorted out. That's what I understand, which the IT teams keep giving me a feedback, but please look into it. Students, your well-being is important. मौसम खराब है, it's very, very hot. हम लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं. But please, during this particular time, if you have any issues, कोई बात आपको परेशान कर रही है, we have a counselor, Miss Richa is there. I'm sure we'll be conveying it to her also. Miss Richa, please connect with students to connect with Richa through the class teachers or the coordinators. And I'm sure Richa would go for 1:1 talking to the children or the whole class if they so desire, or in her own periods also, or whenever need be, we can have a full session for the class so that we can help you during this time when you might be a little lonely and at home and, missing all your friends and the school as such. Children, physical activity is very, very important. Make sure in this fresh air, early in the morning, बहुत pleasant रहता है. Please make sure you go for a walk. नहीं तो अपनी छत पे जाके do some yogic pranayams, कुछ deep breathing वगैरह करिए so that it helps you out and lots of oxygen, तो आप rejuvenate हो सकते हैं. So look into that particular thing so that things are very, very good and you are strong and sturdy and you can look into all these things. Now, coming to my next point, which I thought would be the communications. आपके session के बाद, after your session is over, teachers are there in school till 1:15. You can connect with them if you have a doubt कि नहीं समझ में आया. And also, after every period, just stand up at your place, थोड़ा stretch कर लीजिए. You can touch your toes, थोड़ा आसमान में हाथ ऊपर ले जाएं, नीचे ले जाएं. Stretch करिए. Do some simple PT exercises because it's very, very important. Stand on your heels and stand on your toes. Heel toe kar dijiye, so that you once again active, because sitting at one place at the same time thoda ठीक नहीं रहता है. And children, we are missing you in school. आप आते हैं तो स्कूल की रौनक होती है. Your naughtiness, your शोर शराबा as we call it, कहीं से कोई आवाज, कहीं से आपके खिलखिला के हंसने की आवाज, we have to tell you, oh, be quiet, be quiet. This is the school, but then we are missing all of you badly. But then we have to, being responsible citizens, we follow the norms of the government. So online classes are going on. Thank you so much, my beloved students, for joining these online classes. If you are missing it, remember you'll be marked absent and your attendance would be less than 75%. Do not come to the school for any favors, because such favors would not be entertained. सो पेरेंट्स से मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इनको सपोर्ट कीजिए, कुछ भी हो जाए बच्चों को सपोर्ट करिए। ये भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं है, अपने टीचर्स के साथ नहीं है, आपके पास घर पे है, तो नाराज ज्यादा ना हों, कहीं शाबाश दे दीजिए, क्योंकि ये इनके आखिरी 2 इम्पोर्टेंट ईयर हैं स्कूल में, और इन 2 सालों के बेसिस पे इन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में कामयाब होना है। ना जाने ये कौन से शहर में चले जाएंगे 12वीं के बाद, ना जाने ये कौन से मुल्क में चले जाएंगे, ना जाने ये हमको कितना मिस करेंगे। तो ये जो 2 साल हैं, हम इनका बहुत बहुत सहयोग करें, इनको हेल्प करें। ये बच्चे हैं, ये गलतियां भी करेंगे, they'll be rude, they'll be loud, बैठ के बातचीत करके अक्रॉस द टेबल सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है। स्कूल में भी तो उनके बिहेवियर कई बार अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, जब समझाते हैं तो समझ जाते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर दे विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। But children, you are 17, 18 years old. You are not in grade 3 or in grade 4 कि आपको ना समझ में आए कि क्या सही है आपके लिए और क्या गलत है. Respect your teachers, respect your parents. It's very, very important to respect your elders. Stay positive. कोई किसी का मूड खराब हो रहा है आपके फ्रेंड्स में, उसको cheer up करिए, उसको शाबाश दीजिए, उसकी बात सुनिए. आपको ये whatever I'm saying, you will feel that look, so many instructions for us, but then we human being need reminders. Systems में, computers में तो एक बार डाटा फीड कर दीजिए तो सदा रहता है, पर लेकिन ह्यूमन बींग्स को, बच्चों को बार बार कहना पड़ता है कि आप अपने बिहेवियर पे अहमियत दीजिए, एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर यू स्टडी अ लॉट. सो प्लीज cheer up, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करिए, give a pat on your back and say, I am the best and I'm going to perform very well and I'm going to focus on my academics. और अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनकरेज करिए, खुद भी इनकरेज होइए, and make use of the summer vacation in the best possible manner. And all thanks to the teachers who are coming to the school during this tough weather also. Children, this is what I wanted to say. Now, if you have any questions or queries, you can go forward, you can ask, you can raise your hand. कोई parents कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं तो हम उसके लिए भी open हैं, लेकिन जो बच्चे नहीं आए उसका मुझे अफसोस है. आना चाहिए था, स्कूल बुलाता है तो आना चाहिए था. गलत बात है जो नहीं आए. Yes, if we see some hand raise, fine. Otherwise, we wait for a minute or two, and then we can call the special assembly over, because this assembly was for all concerns and care which we show towards our students. Special assembly, a concerning assembly, a caring assembly. Thank you so much, dear students, and thank you so much, my beloved educators.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am. Thanks for your kind words, ma'am, and we are highly motivated with your words, and we are surely going to work further. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, parents, for joining us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless.